So you're finally here, you're on set. I'm gonna run through some tips that are gonna make your life easier when you finally get to shoot day. Pre-production and shot planning. Now, I am not the most prepared guy in the world, but when Jack does all the preparation, it makes my life a lot easier. Fail to plan, plan to fail. If you, ahead of time, plan all of your shots and get them in a list on your iPhone, on paper, whatever, it's gonna make your life so much easier when you come to shoot day. Variety is the spice of life. You want wides, you want mids, you want tights, you want hero shots. The more you can get of your shot, the better the final product's gonna be. So shoot your interviews or your piece to cameras first, and when you work out exactly what B-roll you need, then you go out and get your B-roll, which is the fun stuff. Story of the day editing. That's where you take the viewer through and put them in your shoes and show them every aspect of the event that you're filming. The goal with this is to make them feel like they were there at the event with you. Overshooting versus undershooting. When we first start, we're all guilty of shoot, shoot, shoot. And then of course, not only are you taking up loads of storage on your computer, but you've then got to go through every single shot. But on the other hand, you definitely do not want to undershoot. We're trying to find the happy balance of getting enough footage, but not overshooting. For more filmmaking, education, and resources, make sure you visit the link in the description.